Was the moon landing a hoax? Imagine standing on the surface of the moon, gazing back at Earth, a blue marble suspended in the vastness of space. This moment, captured in 1969, marked a significant achievement in human history. But for some, this monumental event raises a question: was the moon landing a hoax? To understand this debate, we must first look at the facts surrounding the Apollo program. The Apollo missions were conducted by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, commonly known as NASA, with Apollo 11 being the first mission to land humans on the moon. On July 20, 1969, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin "Buzz" Aldrin took their historic steps on the lunar surface, while Michael Collins orbited above in the command module. Supporters of the moon landing argue that the evidence is overwhelming. Thousands of scientists, engineers, and technicians worked on the Apollo program, and the missions were extensively documented. Photographs, videos, and rock samples brought back from the moon provide tangible proof of the landings. Additionally, independent tracking stations around the world monitored the missions, confirming their authenticity. On the other hand, conspiracy theorists claim that the landings were staged. They point to perceived anomalies in photographs, such as the way shadows fall and the absence of stars in the lunar sky. Some argue that the United States government fabricated the landings to win the space race against the Soviet Union. However, experts have debunked many of these claims, explaining that the lighting and conditions on the moon account for the observed phenomena. Furthermore, the scientific community has consistently supported the reality of the moon landings. The lunar rocks brought back to Earth have been studied by scientists worldwide, confirming their extraterrestrial origin. Additionally, the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, launched in 2009, has captured images of the Apollo landing sites, showing the remnants of the lunar modules and rover tracks. In conclusion, while the question of whether the moon landing was a hoax continues to spark debate, the overwhelming evidence supports the reality of the events that took place in 1969. The achievements of the Apollo program remain as a testament to human ingenuity and exploration. As we look to the future of space travel, it is essential to remember the milestones that have brought us to where we are today.